Today I'll be using Wave Gel Pastel colors. I'm just going to be using the regular lacquer that comes in the set with the gel and the regular lacquer. I'm not going to bore you with watching me paint all these colors on my nails again. If you watch my other video, you've already slept through that one, hopefully. Anyways, now I'm going to just do some different patterns on every nail. I think it looks cool. So let's get started on that. All the plates I'm using will be listed in the description box below. Next I'm going to do is this one. Okay, let's see. These are actually coming out really good. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, there we go. To seal in the stamping, I'm going to use Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And when that's dry, I'll come back. The smudge free is now dry, so now I'm going to add a matte finish top coat to all of my nails. And I'll come back when that's dry. Okay, so here is my finished mani. I don't normally do like crazy nails like this where they're all different, but I kind of really like how this looks. I hope you like it too. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.